Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn about the two sounds of this word. And what word is this? This is the word the. But do you know that the has two sounds? Sometimes we say the and sometimes we say the. So we are going to learn when to say the and when to say the. The word THE has two different pronunciations. It can sound like the or it can sound like the. Today we are going to learn when it sounds like the and when it sounds like the. Here we have a sentence. The boy is playing. The boy is playing. And we have another sentence. The apple is red. The apple is red. So I'm sure you would have heard I said the boy, but I said the apple. So we are going to look at the word which comes after the. It is boy. And boy begins with a consonant. Remember we did vowels and consonants, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. I'm sure you would remember that. So boy begins with a consonant. When the word after the begins with a consonant, or after THE begins with a consonant, we say the. The boy is playing. When the word after THE begins with a vowel, we pronounce it as the. So we say the apple is red, right? The E makes the long sound. The apple is red. So we say the boy because boy begins with a consonant, and the apple because apple begins with a vowel. Here we have two more sentences. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. Then we have the elephant is big. The dog is barking. The elephant is big. So let us look at the word after THE. Dog. Dog begins with D. D is a consonant. So we say the dog. Elephant begins with a vowel. E is a vowel. So we say the elephant. So we have the dog is barking, but the elephant is big. Here we have the egg is in the pan. The egg is in the pan. The girl sees the ox. The girl sees the ox. So let us look at the word after THE. It begins with a vowel. So therefore we do not say the egg. We say the egg. When the word begins with a vowel, the makes that long E sound. Right? So we say the egg is in the pan because P is a consonant. We say the girl. We don't say the girl. We say the girl because G, it's a consonant. The girl sees the ox because O is a vowel. Right? So we have to remember when the word after THE begins with a consonant, we say the. But if it begins with a vowel, we say the. So we have the egg is in the pan. The girl sees the ox. What have we learned so far? THE has two different sounds. When it comes before a word beginning with a consonant, it is pronounced as the. When it comes before a word beginning with a vowel, it is pronounced as the. Here I have a very short passage for you to read, and I want you to read it and remember the sounds of THE because you have to send me a voice note. So I will read it once for you and then you can practice. Okay? The old farmer is in the barn. He sees the eggs in the nest. He also sees the hen. The farmer has an apple. He gives the apple to the hen. So remember, children, what we learned? When THE comes before a word beginning with a consonant, it is pronounced as the. And when it comes before a word beginning with a vowel, it is pronounced as the. Right? So we say the old farmer because O is a vowel. So we say the. Right? But we say the barn because B is a consonant. So what you are going to do now, you are going to pause the video and you are going to read this passage a few times and then you are going to send me a voice note. Right? So hope that you all enjoyed the lesson. Bye.